everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventure. Hello, sweet friends. How's it going, everybody? Happy Monday, happy Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Let me tell you about me and why I've been missing in action. I'm sorry, my sinuses are really on fire today, like really on fire. So between the sinuses and here, right here, there's a wisdom tooth that I never took out. I know, it's all my fault. I never took it out. And it is in so much pain. My face today is not as swollen as it was throughout the week. And yesterday was like the worst. It was like the worst. So anyways, that's why I've been missing in action a little bit, but I did get to do a little crafting and a little art. Now, you're going to see it at the end. It is not finished. I'm still working on it. I'm going to work on it a little bit more today and tomorrow. And then Wednesday, I'll show it to you like the final, because there's things that I want to change about it. And I'm thinking of something. So I want to, pick your brains about it. But yeah, so let me show you the things that I have changed. Number one, finally painted that up there, gold. And I painted, ooh, my camera's moving, hold on. And I painted the mirror, and I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you that in a minute. And then, but before we do all that, before I show you all that, and I show you the final stuff, I want to show you a couple clips, a really super cute. It turned out so cute, little DIY I did for Easter and the art. So I'm going to roll those clips and I'll see you right back in a minute. Okay, friends, this is what is real life DIYing in the kitchen while I cook dinner. I'm using some chalk paint. I'm painting this candle holder up that I got at the thrift store. I love it, actually. I love it. And I made some cookies and I'm making dinner. And I'm showing you guys, this is real life, y'all, real life. So much fun. Well, this is what I'm up to, so let me show you the rest of the stuff that I'm doing. Okay, here's my filming skills that are not very good. I'm making this cute DIY. I'll move the camera, you'll see it in a minute. But I'm using these picks that I got from Walmart. I showed them to you in a shopping haul the other day. So I'm just cutting the picks. I got 4 of these. And I'm placing them basically in the 4 corners just to make it look really nice. And this is what I love about faux flowers, that you can like move them in any which way direction. And I just think this turned out really cute. Good Lord, what am I doing here? Let's see the next clip. Okay, as you can see, I am finally moved the camera so you can see better. And oh my God, look how cute that bunny looks up there, y'all. That looks adorable. Now I'm going to fill in the empty spaces with this greenery. So I'm just cutting it in pieces, as you can see here. Oh, I'm doing it kind of off camera. And by the way, I'm watching my guilty pleasure, which is The Housewives, because I love me some Housewives. Or no, maybe I was watching White Lotus. Yeah, I think I was watching White Lotus that day. Oh my God, so much fun. So much fun. But this DIY turned out so cute. I was going to put ribbon on it, but then I decided against it. And you'll see. But doesn't that look great? Like, doesn't that just scream spring? And I'm telling you, that bunny on the top, oh my goodness, so cute. Y'all, I totally encourage you to do this. I know you've seen this done like a whole bunch of times, but I'm telling you, go out there, get yourself some cute pics and make yourself one of these, but 2 is better. I think 2 would be better. Yeah, there's the ribbon that I was trying to put in just to add more peach, but all right, whatever. All right, so this is what I really wanted to show you. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you'll know that I am a chalkboard lover. I love to do chalkboards and I love to bring out my creativity. And for me, you know, spring is a time for renewal and being creative and doing the things you love and being out in nature and the beautiful colors that, you know, and sorry about that. By the way, I thought I was filming a lot more, but I didn't. But you'll see it in the end. And it's still not finished. I still got a few more things to do to it that I want to switch out. But here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. So, okay, y'all, look how good this looks. I love it. I think the gold paint on that just, and me putting these like little art things on my TV and the shelves, it just looks so much better together. And I cannot wait now to decorate for Easter because I'm going to take all this down and we're going to do it all together. We're going to decorate for Easter. We're going to make it bunnified. Bunnified. Yes, we are. All right, let me show you the mirror. I'm going to show you the mirror, close up of the mirror. Look how nice it looks. I just think the spray paint turned out so nice. Hello. It looks so good. Y'all, I can't believe what a little bit of spray paint can do, because what a miraculous look. There you go. Isn't that nice, y'all? Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Now I'm going to finish it, and I want to redo something. You'll see it. You'll see it in the next video, but look at our DIY. How cute is this, y'all? How cute did this turn out? It's just so adorable. I love it. I love that I painted the thing and the vase and my little art. It's so cute. So, so cute. Well, my friends, what do you think? Do you like it? It turned out cute, right? I think it turned out cute. I like it. I really like the mirror. It brought a lot of like light to that area. And again, this house is so dark. Like my townhouse, I feel, is so dark. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe it's the ceilings or maybe it's all the wood in here. And also we have such a dark couch and I don't know. I can't figure it out. We have beautiful big windows. It shouldn't be this dark. Who knows? Anyway, so you made it to the end of the video and you know me. If you know me, you know on Mondays, what do? We declare what we want to come into our lives. Y'all, this is so important. I can't even stress this enough. Negativity robs you of everything. Everything. Being around negative people. Talking negatively about yourself. Watching negative TV. Negative news, all that just robs us of of what God wants for us. This happiness, this peace, this loving person that we need to be. We need to be more loving. Love ourselves, love our neighbors, love our community, just love. So really today, declare that you want all that beautiful positivity come in your life. Take that negativity, throw it out the window, and be blessed. Walk amongst the earth and know that how blessed we are. We're living in an incredible time. We have every resource available to us to make a better life. And I'm one to talk. Because really, I need to make a lot of changes. I really do. I really need to make a lot of changes. And I say that sincerely. Anyways, y'all have a beautiful and blessed week ahead. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. None of this would be possible if it wasn't for all the love that you send to me. And I hope that I send you love back. And I hope you realize how much every single person that comments and watches these videos mean to me, because you really do mean a lot. So I'm sending you lots of love today. All right, YouTube. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.